So today I'm going to be showing you how to make one of my favorite drinks, the Mojito. For this you're going to need club soda, rum, fresh ice, sugar, lime juice, and mint leaves. So the first step to the Mojito is the mint. What you want to do is make sure that you gently pull the leaves off the stems, and you can do as many as you want. I'm going to do a good couple leaves. The next thing you're going to add is 2 teaspoons of sugar. Now we're going to get some lime juice. So what you want to do before you juice the lime is roll it around, and this will make it much easier to juice in the cup. So what I'm doing now is just bruising the mint leaves a little bit. So you could do this with a spoon as well. This is just gonna help the flavors kind of melt together. So now for the fun part, we're gonna be adding 1.5 parts rum. We're gonna stir all of these ingredients together. Again, it just helps the flavors meld, and it's also gonna help the sugar dissolve. So at this stage, you're gonna wanna add fresh ice. Perfect. And we're gonna top this with club soda. So now all you have to do is just garnish with